Hello, we are KRUX company. We are partner of the IEMAI. We are participate Expomed Eurasia. Expomed Eurasia exhibition is one of the largest exhibition in this area. Not only from Turkey, Middle East, Africa, as well as Russia and Europe. Many visitors and they comes this exhibition. What we are on is the exhibit here. This is the IEMAI machine, 3D printer, and we are the focus on the peak 3D printing for industry and medical and the sector. And we are providing end-to-end solution with the IEMAI printers and software and peak material. We are giving services as a printing and services, peak and the other industrial material. We would like to show you some the samples as well, and printed with the peak, with the medical peak material.